On a wahala too much. Thomas and I love shoes. No they agree. Kwata. Waiting they happen. Oh, now on too much. On a no they hear. Na so trouble. Trouble fight and quarrel every day. Na house of TAMB.
Look at me. Oh my God, I love this station. Beautiful and
how are you? Hi. Look at this pretty dancer. Yeah? Very beautiful. How are you?
Hi.
My dear, you look take away.
Thank you.
you see, look, my name is the Prince. You understand me? My father, my late father, is a king. You understand me? Before he died. Oh my God. Look, let me tell you, you are a beautiful angel. Look, let me tell you, I will do anything you say. Look, where's this idiot? Come here! Babe, look, I am the prince. This is my bodyguard. As you can see.
Let's go and share your seat. Let's go so that we'll sit where I enjoy with you. Baby, how? You are already holding me. I love this station.
Sit! Come, where's this mama?
My prince, sit here, my prince.
The prince, you got me. Thank you. Guy, choose seat. Bring seat for yourself. Come and sit. Bring seat for him. Yeah, bring sit. Yeah, please bring double of what she's taking.
No problem.
Bring double. No. You don't have to sit. Remember the guy forever. Be like that. Don't laugh. But look, let me tell you, if you are hitting somebody, make sure you are far. Let your hand not touch me. Control yourself. Don't hit and hit everybody here. Now let's drink and take. Come, where's this Bama? Come back here.
God, that Prince, your favorite.
Why will you waste time? My friend, kneel down and be answering me.
Sharp.
I am a king, upcoming king. We presented you. It is not it. Baby, what will it take? What will it take? Do you want pepper soup, PCA or point and kick? No, don't point me. Don't point and kick before you point me now. Somebody kill me here. I know this boy has a bad mind. With my flesh body. Huh?
Pepper soup is okay.
My friend, go and bring pepper soup.
Okay.
Everything you are bring it double. Fool. If you cause any harm, I will destroy you. I would have bought for you, but you know, I don't trust you. You make it now and damage me. Baby, look, let me tell you. For my village, I am the prince. Then, very soon, I'll be the king. And when I become the king, I'll make you my queen. Then, by the time you don't believe me. You don't believe me. Don't worry. By the time I climb into that your Punani, I'm in your pocket, I will confess everything. I will even tell you where I keep my last card. Baby, you are too beautiful. See the king on me. Please. Thank you.
I'm gonna massage you very well.
Oh, massage me. I hope this is not my upcoming death. baby. Oh, don't kill me with your love. I know you can do everything. Don't worry. Just relax. Where's the pepper soup?
The Prince.
Yes. You take too much time. Come back here. Which one are you? Why will you share for me? My friend, sit down. Do you know the one that is bigger than me? I'm the prince.
Holy praise.
No. I'm giving you the biggest one. I'm giving you. I want to eat the smallest one. Come and look at that. You have to eat the biggest one. Fool, look at this. My friend, keep standing. Don't sleep. And if you want to hit this boy, make sure your hand is very far from me.
Oh my God, you're making me laugh.
No. Look, let me tell you. Happiness is your portion. Happiness is your. If anybody try you, I will kill that person. Enjoy yourself. I hope you say you love this station.
My prince, I begin to love you.
Say, I love this station. Wherever you give women. Enjoy yourself. Oh my God. Hey, where's this Bamba? Hey, your sin is very, very innumerous. The voice thing is very, very far. Hey,
so
baby.
I become your queen.
You want to kill me. Only this peg that you gave to me, only peg. I feel like killing somebody. I feel like commoting that boy head and give to you.
I seriously.
Enjoy. There's I don't have money. Also give away. Don't mind this boy. By the time I'm done with you, you will know. Stand by, no? Take cover. Baby, enjoy yourself. I love this station. You are not Igbo now. Where are you from? I do not even ask you of your name.
My name is Rita.
Rita. Baby. Oh my God. I love this station. Say, very good. You know what I'm saying? I am overloaded now. Yeah? I'm seeing things now. I'm even seeing the sin you committed yesterday. But it's not abominable. So I have to go and let's say what thing remain for me and I'm bone. I have to go and drop it for bed. I guess tomorrow. I will see you later. Or where will you be going? This is what keep you quiet. Don't you have where to go? Don't you have where to go? Tell me, what happened? You don't have where to go. Wait. Do you want to go with me? Can you go with me? Look, let me tell you, I am that prince. I have duplex, but I don't like sleeping there. I like, you know, I like bringing myself there. I don't like raising myself up. That was how I managed to get to my place. If you can join me, no problem. You mind?
Yeah.
So your love is too much like it. Oh my God. Oh my God. My girl, you have to sleep outside, or you sleep inside on that step. I have to do something this night. Even all of them, I'll tell them out. You will do that this night. Wait, you already carry your bag. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wait. You carry your bag. That means you're already waiting for me. I love this place.
I love you so much.
Jesus, did you hear that I'm coming here before you?
No.
Oh my God. So, I have all these things from A to Z. Even this for food, I have it. You mean your sabangan? Let me get it. There, your paquetoy is also. I love this station. Let's go. Baby, follow me. My friend,
that prince.
What?
You never told me they drink.
This boy has no respect. Before my guests are insulting me, I don't have respect. Don't you know me? The prince. The king. The upcoming king. Don't you have respect? Anyway, I don't have respect. The body guy will settle you. Settle with you. Let's go. Deal with you. Yeah? Settle you.
I don't believe that. He says, take the money. Sorry. No, at least I do Christmas. No, that.
My room is at the center, but I don't like using it. You understand me? This is the part I love. You see, I don't know why. Don't mind. I stay here with my friend and well wisher. You understand me? Don't worry. Oh, very good. Very good. Go and feed those things out. Let them come on. Bring them in.
I should go and throw them out.
No. Go and feed them in and bring them back. My friend, who can bring them out? Yeah, bring them back. Baby, relax, yeah? Let them bring them so that we are dropping to them. And the person will go. Bring them in here. Bring those foods out. Thomas! Come on! Thomas! Come on, will you go back? Yeah. Come here.
Hey, Thomas! Hey!
Look, will you shut up? I'm not going to just come and antagonize you. Do you hear me? Quiet. Baby. Look, I have a special announcement. This is to introduce to you my beautiful queen. My beautiful wife, Rita.
Hi.
Rita. This is what God say they are my brothers. If I am God, give you this thing, will you take?
No.
But don't mind. This is just, I'm just managing them, okay? Don't worry, they are my upcoming wealth. Yes, very soon I'm going to use them for ritual. You see this one, the head na limousine. You see this one, na kanta. But na both weight.
What is illusion? Close mouth. Every time I ask us to big question. Shut up! Shut up! Ritual means to blow the money. He said, go take us some money. Thomas!
Shut up!
You don't crazy? Thomas, I don't get crazy, what?
You're mad.
Yeah? But I told that the father for me, what? I forget that me and my senior brother. Thomas, come. You, Karashika. Karashika, I don't know where I'm from. Bring up for me, come this place. Walk on the weather for my brothers. I stay with my brothers peacefully for this place. I don't get a problems. And from where I do, why you walk on cause for problems, Karashika. If I know where I'm from, come make I go back. Karashika, go back! Madu, see, she did like blue.
Listen, if my Lord please asks me to leave, then I will.
Hey,
I love this station.
I know they call my Lord and my friends.
Did you hear that?
Shut up!
Look,
wait, Alicia, for my front, Thomas, I don't talk to friends. I don't talk to Lord. I don't talk to friends. Is that a king? Shut up! Okay. You don't sabi your father? And my father not be king. Come, this person where I follow. If I go open up for my leg, I carry up for my life I go remain zero. Yes. Because this boy I don't get up for 1 naira. Yes. I know they work up for anything. Now I drink up.
Baby, don't mind them. Today, relax, don't worry. Today, not today. Don't romance me for me not to cut their head this night and give to you. But don't worry, by tomorrow I will deal with them. You heard that? Look, let me tell you. If you want me to leave this place for you, I want you people to give me 100K so that I will leave this place for you. I need to use it and rent her. Or if you have no choice but to sleep here.
Thomas!
I'm just
make a give up 100,000.
That's the condition. Area, look at this one. If they move them. I'm going inside and I don't want any disturbance from any of these foods.
Thomas, for my own house.
I don't have
Thomas, for my own house, Thomas.
I don't have it.
Hey!
I like it.
What are they watching for me? God, are they watching for me? Hey, well, please, never knock it. God, I never have no. Not the way person no go sit for this house. No, there's something to do. This thing not going to happen. Right the way you come travel. Come leave this not go take. Why you keep here? See now public car. See now talk stand not need the public car. See now me don't do suffer like. Now say the mouth is good to me. Yes! Alicia, I never talk of my own. What of me? Now only me landlord I give up for this place. So I come fit here for my brothers and I give up for my brothers and I come here for brothers. So him say no, hey, Ose my boss again. Him say Ose dey for this place. This thing I will not happen. Hey, Ose, I will only Ose go. I said keep quiet. Keep quiet. That person I don't complete to. Keep quiet. I won't sleep. Shift. Keep quiet. Nonsense. That person don't complete to. Keep quiet. I said keep quiet. If I hear your voice again, I will kill you. I won't sleep. I won't do what? Sleep. You said? Sleep. Come, don't disturb my sleep. No problem.
Baby, enjoy yourself. Look, by next time, I'm going to buy you more. For now, the money is incomplete. But you see me, I don't like taking all these things. What I like taking is only this one. God just see me and dash me this one. Do you have more mpeteri?
No, my prince.
Is this all that you have? Do you have more? I have a machine that will wash them.
I trust you.
This is only the one you have. Alright. Alloy shoes! Alloy shoes! Alloy!
Come on, Thomas! You dey craze? You don't get respect for your senior brother, ba? Why they chat my name? Anyway, I no clear your time. Make I go do my hustle, sha.
It's not me, oh.
Okay, wetin I do now? Okay, no killing. Wetin I do?
Alloy shoes! So, you look me finished. Walking out of me. Alloy shoes!
Come on, Thomas. That's just because you got the intimidate. I'm your senior bro. I go knock you.
Alloy shoes! Alloy shoes!
Okay.
Come here. Come and take all this in potato. Wash them! Now! Food. Don't worry.
Mama! Come on! You don't respect the canopy. Thomas! Me! I let you swag with my hazy title cap. Chief! You say make I wash clothes for you! Hey! Mama! Madu, where you dey?
Area!
Come! You dey clean? You don't know say I be your senior brother. Look, I tell you. Thomas, thunder will go push you down. They never do. If they do the thunder, if it come, he go follow you. Look, I tell you. See this devil picking. You don't get respect for your senior brother.
Oh my God, I love this. I love area! Take this veterinator, this passenger, give it to him to wash. If you refuse it, grab him like pepper, bring the cups for me. I am ready to take the task. Maybe I can do anything. Oh my God, kill somebody now. Kill somebody. Idiot. Fool. Do and get out of my sight because I'm seeing the sin you committed yesterday. It's very abominable. Hey, come back here. Stay there and wash it. I want you to wash it before me.
Thomas is no good though.
Shut up.
Okay.
By the time I'm done with you, you will know.
Okay.
Baby, relax. Be fast about it. Fool. By the time I'm done with you, you will know. I love you. Wash them. Quick. And get out of this that I have work. Come on, look at that run there. What I do with sit? Come on, get that sit away.
Let us sit down now. Let us sit down. What did you do?
I love shoes. Kneel down.
Okay.
Kneel down and wash them.
Okay.
Thank you. Area, deal with it. Deal with it. If you refuse to do anything, kill him and bring the hair for me. Let me submit it to my baby. Wash it!
Okay.
You think I have no now? Oh my baby. Oh, I love this station. I feel like killing somebody now.
Thomas, you know say no girl. Now that they wash my clothes for me.
That is why you are stupid. By the time you finish washing this clothes, you will get hand. If you don't have hand, we'll look for material for all. We'll call heavenly people. If they don't have, I'll call a Jamaican. He will come here and remove that to your hand. Idiot. Concentrate and watch them.
Okay, no.
Baby.
Thomas, see this thing.
Are you mad? Shut up and concentrate. Look, don't joke with that side. That is the Potokri side. That's where the Konani used to stay. Don't joke. That's my Peketoy side. If you joke with it, I will kill you. I will cut your head and give it to my baby. I love this station.
What is Peketoy?
You are stupid. When I fire you, just. What you don't know, you close mouth.
Okay.
Baby, don't mind me, man. Then I will go inside.
Mama, where are you?
Love you so much.
Mama, where
is my some of the equator, where it comes. So wash it away. Baby, you see this phone that I bought for, right? I'm going to complete it 10. But it's only my number that will be in the whole 10. Did you hear me? If I see anybody's number, you are in trouble. But you will not be in trouble. Look, let me tell you, I will teach you. I'm going to teach you some things you need to operate. Don't mind me. I know how to operate this thing. Don't look at my condition for now. I will take very soon. I will be the, when I become the president or governor. But the episode is working for me.
My prince, I know you can be faithful, but not this one.
Me? Not insult me in the public office. Good matter. Hey, Chineke. I know my decision. Madu! Come. Thank God you are back. Thank God. Madu! Are you there, my love? I said come back. Come.
Thomas! Come, this madness where I dey worry you, I don't enter her for my head. Eh? Now because I dey keep her for quiet, I know Sabi first where I senior her for me. Because I care for this toothpick of a girl. Keep her for this place.
Don't call me toothpick, okay? I'm someone's queen and it's my pick.
My friend, close mouth. If I talk anything, I'll slap her for me now.
Try her. I agree with you.
If I slap her,
try her, I feel like killing you. But not yet. Look, let me tell you. Look, let me tell you. I don't have it.
So now because I keep her for this way, I feel like trailer. For this place, I don't say personally if I hold her for me, I go squeeze them like with Taleo.
Try her.
Shut the water for my head. In fact, make I tell her for me, make I give her for me. Breaking news. As I get her for my own trailer, I don't go bring her back for my own boss again. Ose, dealing with me. Squat on my head.
You said Ose. Man, Ose should do with me. Hey, look, let me tell you, you are fetching the wood of another versus firewood. By the time I'm done with you, you will know. Area, what are you doing there? Disintegrate them, both of them. Turn them to non-metabolism. I will take away the price.
Look! You don't want to say!
You know, say, I always stay loyal to you. Abeg, I got mad. Now, I ain't that my worker for about
Look!
Abeg, just collect the money, go buy them. Abeg.
Look!
Abeg. Just collect the money, go buy them. Just they run, they go buy them. They run. Thomas!
I don't have money for Mary.
You know what, though? Hey, I don't know. Wait, never beat him again. Thomas, I don't die.
Don't kill him. I don't have money to contribute for his burial.
Thomas! Now what's in that for me, bro? Hello!
Don't kill him. I don't have money for burial. He meant 20 naira to complete. Good. Don't kill him, baby. I told you.
Hey! I just switch up for my body. Hello, Safayansa. Hey! First man. Yo, wow. Spot out my body. I put you can dance it very well.
Where she dey? I said where she dey? Oh.
That's my sister will get a muzzle. I don't come back.
When I chase the bed.
No, of course I go for this side.
What's that name? Rita. I go show that get paid.
Of course. Squatter some
Rita.
Squatter facing.
Rita. So don't answer me, Abby. So don't answer me. Because it's not today. Rita.
Of course.
Rita.
She there for
I said come for the house.
Of course.
So don't come out, Abby. Because it's not.
Squatter facing.
So you close am inside, Abby. You close am. You get spare key.
You get me?
You get spare key.
I get. Wait. I get us. Of course. Take. Open the door. Bring me out. Squatter facing. Of course.
So now you Abby. You are still sitting. You never rest. You are still. I will trust you. You never rest. You never rest. You never rest. You are still. I never rest. I never rest.
Bring me out.
You go somewhere today.
Yo, what?
I said they go. I go try to have this. That's what I said they go. I'm not going anywhere until my prince comes back.
You know what they call her prince? That's why I did double this. That's what the wrong cat. So once I be prince. So once I don't become prince.
So they're going anywhere. See your prince.
Okay.
You go somewhere today.
So once I don't become prince.
So they're going anywhere.
So once I don't. Will look.
By the time whether your prince will come back.
Will look. Biati.
If he see you, no you again. I will don't choke you. Biati, you better come on. Will look. I'm going to decide your face. Will look. If you understand me, I will choke your better come on. Look.
Biati, na my dad.
Let me go inside and pack. You won't go. No, please. Your face never come back. Please. You won't go. Please. No, don't let us like that.
Biati. Will look.
No, the rest man. I said I can't go.
Will look.
I said I can't go. I will leave. Please don't hurt me. I will leave. I will leave. Don't say I should keep that.
Biati, I collect her for my dagger. I take her for my dagger. For why I keep her for my dagger? I take her. Give me my friend. Make I don't put her for my hand. I don't say my dagger for this. I take her my dagger. I won't kill her for facing. Will you? See, that's why I come out. Anyway, no problems. I tell you, say I don't for sure for the evil spirits where I discover for me for this place. I see that's why I come out to go. You see this boy, also, hi.
Your bodyguard?
Of course. I don't run leave her for me come out.
Why are you?
So most I won't put her for problem for this place. I won't cause her for confusion between the two bodyguard. Eh? I can't leave her for me. I can't come out for this place.
I no worry. It's go my own house. My arrange this for my old yota go.
Of course.
Now you can go come back or bring her come back.
No problems. Yet you will get a plenty muscle. What a man can do, a woman can do it very plenty. But not before peace. A man I can peace very straight. Woman I peace am, I open up for my leg. No problems. My sister will get a muscle. People where I do for me 30, I go do a 50. Yeah, what? Make I check her for my goat if I don't chop. What's the end of that song? I didn't get the song. Oh, wow. I said that because I see the voice. The person that he talk to me every time, I will just go on for face. I get that time I take on the lap. What's it?
I've been well with it. I've been well with that. Ilema nigga, I got a kai. You know even some. My friend will have that thing. I said have that thing, I'm good at doing. This big small problem. Have that thing what? You want to get your book. I said have that thing. Now sir. Small body guy. Are you back? That's a fool everywhere still. You are not useful to. Very bad. Where's my beautiful queen? Please. Go in India. Call her to come out that I have some fighting for her. Give me that. They had that I have arrived. I have a surprise for her. I bought goodies for my beautiful Yori. Wow. This is for our Fafu to close the Fafu side. Why this one? It's for Apeketoy. I mean the Punani, the surrounded, both the backyard. They drop for it. So go and call her. Say her to come out. That I have a surprise for her. You are still there. What are you doing there? I said you should go in and call her. Okay, you don't want to go. Area, if he doesn't move. Now, I don't have the strength. He's a fool. Move him! He's a fool.
Hey, try it. I'm going to change the from our own environment. And you told me, now because of you now.
Thank you.
Now because of you, I just got tight the fuck up. We don't do for this. How they get the mind, the liver? How do my enter house? What news go on? What if I get that ocean? Eh? carry enters your big bros and pushing them outside. All that go away there. Eh?
Yeah. Yes. It's not me that you are talking to like this. So, you have forgot who I am. You don't know me, you are talking to me that way, me, exactly. That place, not that great, like you said. You are talking to me like that. Look, let me tell you, if you try it next time, I deal with you. You know who I be? Look at this food. If you try it next time, I will disintegrate you. I will turn it to non-metabolism. Do you know me? Look at this food. I don't have to. Let me go and bring out myself. Nonsense. Who are you? Talking to me in that manner.
Hey! Thomas! Thomas, what's the matter with me? Thomas, come out! Thomas, come out!
Yeah, what is going on? Where's my beautiful queen? Mad, don't tell me you have broken her away. But if you do, I'm going to kill you. Who did that? If you don't tell me, I will kill somebody. I have provoked. Who did that? Area, get ready. I'm going to kill you. Come on, let's drop that. Yeah, who dropped my woman away? Where is she? Where did you throw her into the dustbin right here? Tell me, let me go and pick her. Because I'll break it to somebody. Area, deal with him. Deal with him. No. Look, I don't have time. Deal with him immensely. Get.
Area, if you try.
What are you?
If you try, I will make sure Chichi from one enter and try and
Try
and for you don't lose. This type of way is not fighting. And if you try him again, if you try him again, not just try him again, if not.
If not, what will happen? Yes, if not, what? Huh? What will you do? Okay, you see me, I'm just come out. Don't worry. Look, let me tell you, man. You see if they are doing my woman out. Look, let me tell you, it's either he died or someone else. Look, let me tell you, I don't have the time. By the time I finish with you, no, area is here. But I'm going to start. If not what to get, okay, you have grown with Sabi. Even you, big brother, small brother. Alright. Even you, don't worry, I don't have the time. By the time I'm done with you, you will know. I would have sacked both of you, but you are still useful. Don't worry. Area. Come, let's go down the area, not your own area. Let's go into the area. And find her anywhere she is. Let's go. Even though I've got me, they throw her. We'll pick her. Let's go. Hey! Children came back. This is why I broke my heart. But it still remains. Let's go. I will kill them. By the time I finish with them.
Madu,
don't suffer.
So, you are here sleeping since when I've been outside knocking since, and you don't want to open the door. I know you heard me. Eh? What kind of nonsense is that? Stupid gate man, stupid security. Eh? And madam, why are you not in your security uniform? I've noticed that you've not been wearing your security uniform these days. It's so obvious. And who is this hoodlum behind you? Who is that? What is he doing here? Now your job is to play, Abi. I don't blame you. Hey, come back here. Roy, I don't get up for single here for my eye. I get up for mine. I get up for worse. I get up for everything where I give up power. I call this place, come wake me up for my own security post, for where I sleep and special sleep. Sleep. Hey, hey, Madu, I don't suffer. I don't suffer for this place. Big people, where I get up for money, where I apply for landlord, where I be confirmed tenant. For this conference, I never insult for me. I never ask it this kind of plenty question where they ask for me. I come with ordinary Africans like me. I come to ask this kind of question. Where besides this, I know me for this conference. The only thing why I sabi that to the carry for this file, for watch for money, come back for night, see my shoe. I sure say this shoe, if I pull this shoe, keep up for any street, I go find me come back. This shoe, I don't tire for my life. I don't dare cry. I dey able talk, see for myself. I hold up for pure water. I won't carry for afternoon food. Will you? Now granite, I want to take and do for afternoon food. Poverty is a disease. I reject it. Poverty is a very big disease. You are stupid. Prophylaxis disease. You are stupid. You are an idiot. I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all. One bit. I don't blame. It is me. I blame myself for contributing the money, this money that they use to pay you salary. I don't blame you. You are stupid. You are a fool. In fact, why am I even here wasting my time talking to common security man like you? I need to go inside and freshen up. I have important things. My friend, come back here. Madam, who gave you the effrontery? The ghost? They push me. For what? When did that one start? For this your small mind, I think say me, I still be the same mad wife I made before. In fact, I don't buy them for big problems. And they tell me so, big problems I don't buy. In fact, what's it? Yeah. In fact, I will work for something for me. And they tell me so, anything I want, I will give up for me. If I kill her for this person, I call my buyer beer. Buyer, shake it. Shake it very well. See this small boy, scatter it. Black it, take my phone. Kill it! Kill it! Kill it! Scatter it! Kill it! Populate it! Populate! What's it? What's it? What's it?
Gentlemen, let us drink and make merry. Yeah. Let the bottles go round. Let the bottles go round. Drink and make merry. Fresh pie. Fresh pie wine. Fresh pie wine. That is why you have to remember that. Very fresh power.
Hey, that is the ring. I have arrived. Everybody stand up and come on, please listen. Thank you. I bought it with dollars. Look at your color. Which president? Abomination. Which abomination? I am not the new child. Thomas. What? As drink is very good. Mad. Jesus. Me. This is the insult of the highest order since ever in my life. Look, Chairman, by the time I'm done with you, you will know.
Gentlemen, don't mind him. Let us drink and make merry.
Mind him.
Drink and make merry.
Drink and make merry. I will tell you that this is me, the prince. I have arrived. And I have come to kill and to destroy. You see you people, I will destroy somebody here. Area! What are you doing there? Look at this man. Kill him! Disintegrate him, turn him to non-metabolic. I'm ready to pay the price. I see you by the time I'm done with you. Give me that. Area, deal with him. Disintegrate him. I am ready to bear the consequences. What is it? Deal with him.
For what? For what?
Alright, by the time you see it, you know what. I am ready to follow me. By the time I'm done with you, deal with him. I said David, I didn't say kill him. I didn't know what you have done. I am punished.
So, Miss B, as they tell you now, all man can pay for advance to my oga for the gate we want to for her. You understand? So, what thing I want me you do, I want me you just break in. Collect the money. Yeah, you can't give my own share.
Jeff. So, me say if I bust down on our office now, go see the money. Not I be miss, but all they like me see for.
They doubt me again. But you get some metals what would they use? You understand? And we dey for. And I want me you just do this thing. You can't give my own percent now. That kind of thing now. You understand?
Don't worry yourself, last time.
I believe you now. That kind of thing. See, I beg. This one way they bring that gun. I don't mean anybody die you. See, I don't even want to go prison. I beg.
Yeah. Should I get metals?
We get metals, but it won't be this kind of metals. Nah, just iron what they use to work on.
No, I be miss B. Man, I want a mess.
I believe you. You understand?
No, that's feeling. You understand? They feel it.
Nah, they feel that.
No worries, Sha. Better sister. Ma do arrangements.
Hey, quick now. Wake up. Nonsense. Wake him up. Sit down.
Officer, I swear, no problem. Officer! I swear, no problem. I'm not problem. You never did the work, come back from work. I said I can sleep small before I go for intervention.
Shut up. You. Walk.
Yes.
I wonder which can walk. Just what I walk like you then.
Hey, Oga. My beg I dey beg oh. My beg I dey beg oh. I dey beg my BLF for street. See my plate. See my plate. See the plate where you.
Shut up.
Shut up. Hey,
look at you. You don't see me, I never see me.
I don't see you.
You don't see me.
Yes.
They look for Matt and Thomas. Both of them commit murder. With the hoodlums, when they parade themselves as their bodyguard on streets, now they carry their assignment. They keep them. So when they did?
See, you see the one of bodyguard where you talk. I know the bodyguard. But look, I ask you one small question. Before I answer your question, what is mother?
Mother?
Yes. Because the mother when me I know, now the one when my mama born me, Igbo, and she don't die. And another mother.
Mother? Don't worry. As you see now, me and you are friends. Mother! Mother is when somebody, maybe like you, me, and them, see, go win 1 million naira. Stay quiet. 1 million naira from government. And then they call mother. So, now the thing, where then they call mother be that?
Hey! Mama!
So, where then they?
See, look, I tell you. Thomas, where they see? Now listen on. See, I know say police no they come for good thing. No bad thing that they come for. But this one where una come, I tell you.
See, don't worry. I know say the thing never retire here. No. Make I talk now, make it clear. Mother is when somebody go win 1 million naira from government. Mark and Thomas, they win 1 million. 1 plus 1. 2. And when this thing happen, now we will be police. And they go, they find the person, find sister. And they come, find him brand, find step auntie, find even in neighbor, the one where they don't forget. They cannot, you see how people
if they talk too much,
they come.
If they talk too much, something like I told you. I know when they stay. Now my brothers, them be. Yes, now let's know Thomas. And my senior me. And we just small sister when they go Piatti. Yes, now if you buy, if you are not Pia, but if you put them team, it become Piatti. I want them now. I don't be. I know when they stay.
So you want them to say 4 of you? Say mama, mother, sorry, God.
Yes, see, make I tell you one thing. You see, me, I know when they do. But the problem now is, if whenever they do bad thing, they go high. But the other the one when they do good now, come go high. No problem. But you see, that people down for the country, and they bring this good law. Yes, see, no, go sharp.
For where they did?
Yes, I know where they did. No, go sharp, baby. See, look at you. Don't want no go sharp. Before they go come up.
Madu, you stay that bros I used to know before. Bros we go sit down for house when start to bring food, make you jump. Oh, I thought by now you wouldn't change. Take up the responsibility as the person, but no, you have moved from bad to worst. I never knew that you can be so stupid. Your hands are like complete and you know what also. Every day I ask myself, and I keep on screaming, asking why, why you still they do like this, oh why am I doing, why, oh why you still they do like this, oh why, oh why you still they do like this, oh why.
Who say I don't kill him facing? I don't kill him horror. Facing way I never drop on food since morning. Double frugalence for the duty.
They go finish me for this world. I don't go die. That's how I go to fire them. As they fire me, I go to fire them. The romance is not going to give me like this. They won't keep me come up on this planet 8, but I don't go die.
This one you don't carry this. I hope no problem.
Now my bros, so in the caliber they hand now. I know that boy. Now Jew guy, my brother be now. But now you must run like that. But this man enter and that. Now someone call your area. I know say if you handle this stuff now.
Now wow, he could be matter tire me. But make you no worry. I go sweet and I go feed you. Betty. See ya, Betty. You go they go, like I tell you before. I say I go sweet and I go do. Yeah. I will call you now. Ekelebe. When I don't start again, while I know they, na me be yoga.
I told him to just touch the man, leave him. He go kill the man, put me na warrior. I told him not to touch the man. To kill the man. I tell him to kill him. You don't feel like this. Look at me. Imagine. At the time when you are at the road of Biafra war, you don't feel like this. Biafra war don't feel like this. This is emergency Biafra war. I'm not here.
Bethy, you still that girl I used to know. Before you don't take I used to still fight the cause commotion for street. I thought by now you go don't change, and I know so you don't go from bad to worse. Oh why you still they do like this? Oh why, beauty? I never thought that you can be so dangerous. I'll never believe it. I know say hungry day, but if I do better things, I there for you to do it. Every day I ask myself, and I keep on screaming, asking why. Why you still they do like this? Oh why? Why, oh, why you still?
My friend, talk to Oga.
See this, be the open mouth. See, what of if now you be me, where the worker? Small this thing where worker, now they open mouth. I
like you.
See, our officer, make I tell you. Now me they come to the whole city. Where they here? Where that lady go? Where that son go? And now my hustling now. Anyway, they go there inside by now. Make her go inside. Don't worry, I go call them. You go give them something. Yeah, your foot. Hey.
Aloysius! Something about this, eh? What's up? What is it?
I don't know. Fuck, anything. What go check back here?
Check back here.
No, I know. What is up?
I love you. Come. I say make you come. Now you don't know the real meaning of money.
Show me that, tell me now. You don't tell me. That is why they work out. They follow you people. Look who see them. So that the money go come. They go give you something.
Confirm.
You know say if not my hustling. By now I for make 1,000 or 1,500. Make her go piece my piece.
Don't worry, you won't go piece.
You don't say my friend.
You won't go piece. Yes. Don't worry, go piece that. That's what they tell you. This is the time where I will tell you the real meaning of money. Just open your ear well. Make I tell you.
My hand though.
Forget about your hand. Just listen.
Okay.
Mother means your brother, your two brothers.
Yes, I know. Say they go make her. I know. Say they go make her.
They have killed 2 young men. No shot. Never reach shot. You never even reach to cry. So now be the meaning of mother. I'm arrested. Let's get out of here.
You're under arrest. You have the right to remain silent because anything you say or do be used against you in the court of law.
I talk this thing, I talk. Dikeh, Dikeh, these people come. I know they go bring trouble.
I said,
I like you.
I like. Try that. I get
feel out. You don't feel out. If I hear thing from your mom, I'm there now.
I should kill him.
I get family.
Give me now.
You get family. I guess your wife won't carry belly.
I get family. You get belly. You get picky.
You get family. You get family.
My wife will get belly.
Your wife won't carry belly.
Let's look at how you show.
See what they do. So I get 2 choices. But I will choose one. Either you surrender or I blow your head come off.
Hey, I don't surrender since yesterday. Surrender.
Surrender.
I mean, kill him. I don't be police. I tell you.
Mama, we're here for you now.
Get it. You don't show.
I'll show.
Thank you.
Yeah, bro.
Those people, they don't enter Asaba. No, just the
Miss B, you don't tell me say your brother and Amber. I go back. Sit up, no. Number I can't risk you.
Full of commotion, so many things are happening in the house of time. Full of commotion, so many things are happening. Oh, in the house of commotion, so many things are happening. Oh, in the house of commotion, so many things are happening. Oh, it's a place where so many things are happening. The thief, the drunk, and the hustler, always being faster than their shadows. You got to know that dark is the ultimate. Anything you do will surely come back to you. Yeah, the house of time. So much trouble in a reckless life. Every time